In this video, we will explore the options for inserting formulas inside the cover page section. So now, here we defined our cover page. We've set it to be main data, which means that the collection of our indexes is set for the main data. Index at the beginning would be 1, index at the end would be 1, and index step is 1. So this means that this section here will be repeated only once, which is correct since this is a cover page and it needs to appear only once in our final document. If we set the index at the end to be 2 and the step is 1, this means that twice we will repeat the same section. Next thing to do here is to insert formulas. So if we click here, we can see that this is multi-sided machining. User is Christopher. Program number is this one, but we need to insert formulas. These are now hard-coded strings. In order to insert formulas, you can go to your source data. And here, if we expand this, we can search, for example, for a name. We can go and expand this also. And for our name, we have part name called demo. So we can go and copy formula and simply paste it here. As you can see, it's called SolidCAM part name. If you go and confirm, it will be demo here. So you have multiple options here. You can either copy a name to a clipboard. What this will do is instead of equal SC part name, we'll print only SC part name without equal sign. But if you go here with the copy formula, it will be a formula with the equal part name. Also, you can copy a TS get value formula for this variable, but this will be explained in the next videos. You can also copy text that is used here, and that's it. So here we have our part name. Next thing to do, we can search here and say we want our user. Here, as you can see, user is Milan. But what if we want to search for our value? We don't want to search for our, let's say, for our variable name. So if I go and type in Milan here, I will not see anything. But there is a filter button that we showed already, and we can go and search by value preview and by all indexes. And now, as you see, it is searching through my values. Also, we can load up, as we talked about, all indexes by right-clicking here. And now we have all indexes, for example, for the tool. If I go and close this, and here for the tools, I can see now all 6 indexes that are appearing in my XML file. So let's go again and search for Milan and start populating our cover page. So we will copy a formula, put it here, paste, it's already Milan, then program number. So we can go and find up number. Here we can see our part Boolean number is 1000. You can go and paste it. For our machine, we know it is CNC controller, so we can go and copy and paste it here. For our part units, we can simply search for units, find your units here and paste it here. For our material, you can type in material, and as you can see, everything is pretty much straightforward. You type in what you need or you try to search for the values. Number of operations, for example, you can go and say count, and you can find operations count here. It's 7 operations. So you already see a preview what you need to see here. If I go enter, I will see 7 operations. For our date, we will say date created here, copy formula, and paste it here. Oops, we did a mistake, so we need to paste it here. And here we need to bring back our operations count. So let's go and find our operations count, copy, paste it here. Move on to the machining time. You find your time. Our total time is this one. Copy, paste. And for our notes, we can go and search for the notes and copy our part notes here. For our logo image, we can go and search in for a logo. Here is company logo, so we can copy formula and just paste it here. And for our main part image, we will delete this one and try to find an image file. And here is main part image. We can go right click, copy formula, and paste it here. As you can see, we have different names. For example, our name here is demo, but the name was not demo. This means that the user prepared different file for setup sheet and different file for his CAM part. This is not usually the best practice. The best practice would be to prepare the same CAM part and the same doc file that is filled manually from that CAM part for the template creator. But we are dealing here with a more complex case. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one.